Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. You have done the right decision in your life by coming into Fibocan's YouTube channel. Who is Fibocan? Fibocan is a wealth enabler. How do we enable wealth? We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling students, investors to devise their own investment strategies through our comprehensive training programs and innovative investment strategies. So what do? We have published educational videos 1 to 16, module 1 to 16 in English and Tamil. The modules that start from basics of banking, capital market, investments, how to do investment, technical analysis, options, futures, then strategies of options and futures, and finally income tax on derivatives. To begin with, all these 16 modules are available both in English and Tamil. I would request you to go and select the appropriate playlist and watch all the videos and put your comments. So that is the step one. Every day we put videos about market commentaries. Please understand that we are not SEBI registered, hence we cannot give any recommendations. We will say whether it is looking good, technically sound, technically weak, has to be cautious. These kind of things we will give, but we will not give any price targets or we will not give any stock recommendations. Only thing is that we are here to give technical education, imparting technical knowledge to anyone and everyone through our free educational videos, which we put every day on the daily markets, and during weekends we put about global markets. So I would request and encourage anyone in the age group of 17, 18, those who are studying in HSC, higher secondary or plus 2, to watch module 1 to 4, definitely either in English or Tamil, whichever language you understand out of these two languages. And anybody who is doing BA, BCom should watch up to module 8. And those who are doing MBA, CA, CFA or any professional or postgraduates should watch module up to module 15. And for professional traders, it is ideally suited for them to watch module 16. I am sure that you will enjoy watching and enhancing your knowledge. Thank you very much. Today is November 26, 2023, Sunday, weekend. As always, as you are aware, during the weekends, we put weekend special as global market videos. We discuss about global markets, that is Dow, Nasdaq, S&P FTSE, then CBOE weeks. Then we discuss about dollar index and its components, then US 10-year treasury yield, Brent and MX into 3 different parts. We discuss normally for the previous week. That is, in this case, we'll be discussing today's video. We'll be discussing about the happening for the week of November 20, Monday, till November 24, Friday. So we'll be discussing about the global market performance, and also we'll be touching upon how most likely it is going to close for the month end of November, which is going to happen the coming Thursday, right? That is November Thursday. Let's go into the levels, then we can go into the discussion part of it. Dow closed at 35,390.57, 1.3% up. Nasdaq closed 14,250.09, 0.9% up for this week. Right, S&P closed 4559.34, 1.1% up, while FTSE down 7488.20, 0.2% down. Overall in this month, Dow is up 7%, Nasdaq up 11%, S&P up 8.7%, while FTSE is up 2.3% in this month, that is in the month of November. Overall in this year, how it has performed, Dow is up 6.8%, while Nasdaq is up massive 36%, S&P is up 18.7%, while FTSE is flat. So what happened? If you recollect, we had said that in this month, that is in the month of October itself, we had said that the November month is going to be a big green candle in the monthly chart. Why? Because 3 red candles it formed. Then normally the 4th candle will be a rising 3 methods, which is a powerful green candle short covering rally. So precisely that is what had happened. But even what surprised me was the 4th weekly green candle, solid big green candle that it formed in the weekly chart. That surprised even me. In fact, I expected some small pullback or doji kind of thing, then it will continue its move. So 4th big candle, which is a very big green candle that it formed in all the 3 indices, that is Dow, Nasdaq and S&P. FTSE followed slightly different, hence whatever I say is for Dow, Nasdaq and S&P. So it formed a solid green candle, fourth week in succession, and in the daily chart the bands are going up. So in the entire process, what it had done, it has decisively taken 100-day moving average some 15 days back itself, which we said, after which the severe breakout has happened, which is why it started going up significantly, and it is on a significant up move. But with such a up move, is there any potential for further upside? It is very limited. I would call it is very limited upside from now on till the year end. While there can be a small Christmas rally that can happen, but before which, after which it will go sideways, and yearly, mostly we won't see much of appreciation or downfall from these levels, because as we have another just 20-24 trading sessions for the year to be over. That is what it is. But whatever said and done, it is the Nasdaq has performed beautifully in this year. S&P has also done well, while Dow has also formed a beautiful red candle. So it is more or less closed all the indices at the highest point for this month, nearly at the highest point. While there are some pullback in Nasdaq and S&P, Dow more or less closed at the highest point. In the weekly chart, as I said, monthly chart, it is on a solid up move. Daily also, the bands are going up, the price is going up. So how long it will continue? There is a limitation, which I expect there will be, the limitation will come once this month is over, where there can be some pullback and sideways movement, and during Christmas again it can go slightly up. But overall, the up move is capped till the end of this year. We won't see much of up move from here, and also there won't be big downfall happening in the from now on, because after such a solid green candle, the next candle will normally be a small candle, doji or anything, unless otherwise something dramatic happens where we can see a bearish harami type of candle, which I don't think it is possible, because it is a Christmas month end and year end and all those things. Hence, no, most likely it will be a doji type of candle. That is what I expect in the month of December. Now coming to FTSE, FTSE is just flat. In the weekly chart, it is holding the in the daily chart. Last week it touched about the 50-day moving average. This week it came down. Now in this week it's slightly touching the 100-week moving average. So these are the levels which, if you recollect, I had said much before itself that FTSE is going to form a sideways candle, a doji type of candle, by closing the year, after which 2024 can be a big up move that one can expect in FTSE. That is what it is. CBOE VIX, on the other hand, had formed a solid red candle. Fourth week in succession, it formed exactly the opposite of the indices. And what had happened? The entire process in the monthly chart, I have said that, right, it is going to form evening star. Evening star, I would request people to go and watch my educational YouTube videos, where we have put very clearly it is a combination of three candles. That is what it has formed. But having said that, we still maintain that the 10 and 11 levels are going to act as a very strong support. It cannot break that easily. Just one more month, and in 2024 we might have a reversal. When indices goes down, this will go up, or this goes up, indices goes down. Whichever way one wants to infer and interpret, that's up to their choice. But overall, it slightly goes in the opposite direction of, at least in this currently, it is having an inverse relationship. So that's what we have in part 1 of the video, which is the indices. In part 2, we will be discussing about dollar index and its components. Thank you very much.